Well, good morning and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today it's about neither. Yes, I was sent a box to try by protein shakes by the company 310 Nutrition. Now, I said, sure, I'll give them a try. I'll give them an honest review and a try. So what I'm going to do is I am about to go for my morning walk. It is Sunday morning, March 2nd here. So I'm going to go for my walk and then I'll come back and I'll make a shake and take you through that and everything. So if this is your first time here on my channel, hello, and thank you for stopping in. I appreciate it, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, ring that little bell next to it if you want to be notified next time I make a video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So I am about to, let's see here, I've got workout clothes on, I've got my sneakers on. So I am about to head out. I've got sunscreen on. I'm outside and there is no breeze. So yeah. So we're gonna go and I'm gonna go and get a walk. I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna make a 310 nutrition smoothie and tell you what I think about it. So hang tight and I'll see you in just a little bit. All right, so this is the first time using the 310 Nutrition that they sent to me. And what I got in it was 4, and I think this is called the starter kit. So I got 4 shake packets. I got a 30-day supply of vitamin B12 melts. And then I got 2 packages of lemonade mix that have all kinds of good stuff in it for something to drink as well too. And then they sent me a little shaker, so I guess if you want to make your shake and take it with you, you certainly can. So, but I'm going to set this here because I am at home right now. I just finished my walk, so hence why I look this way. So all right, so I haven't made a shake in a very long time, so I knew enough or remembered enough to freeze bananas. So let me see, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do, this is what intrigues me. This is the packet that's called salted caramel. So meal replacement shake, organic and vegan, 15 grams of protein. And so, do you know how many grams of protein you need per day? If you don't, you should. So, all right, so I'm going to mix the powder, and what I've got here is my blender that I'm putting it in. So this is salted caramel. I don't smell salted caramel, so. All right, so I'm going to use the unsweetened almond milk. Now, this is in conjunction with my Weight Watcher Lifetime program that I basically live on. So I'm gonna go in with a half a cup, whoops, and it's almost, okay. A half a cup of this, because half a cup is 0 points on Weight Watcher Blue Plan. So I don't know how much milk I'm gonna need. If I need more, then it will add a point to it. So I'm gonna go in with 1 frozen banana, which, that smells like banana. So there's that. Stick these back in the freezer. All right, so, and then I'm gonna put, I don't know how much ice, but I just got some ice cubes. I'm gonna put a handful in here. And yeah, we'll just see what we get. It's sticking. So I'll fast forward through this and show you. You don't want to listen to all of it. All right, so I didn't want you to, oh, where'd you go? You slid down. There we go. All right, so I ended up having to use another half cup of the almond milk, which made that 1 point for Weight Watchers, and then the shake itself is 2 points. So this would be a 3 point meal replacement. So I'm going to stir it up here. I think maybe too, for quicker purposes, next time when I freeze my bananas, maybe if I put them in smaller sections. So let's see. The taste is, it's okay. I like the consistency. This is because it's so cold, it's good after walking. It was really hot this morning. And I'll put a clip in here of on my pedometer. I got a piece of ice. So this is, okay. Oop, I get a banana. Okay, overall the taste is not that great, but I could deal with it because I'm cool. It's helping me cool down because it was a nice hot walk. So, so in that sense, on a cold day or a hot day, you know, now this was just my first one. Now, the others that are in here, there's 1 vanilla and then there's 2 chocolate. So I'm thinking maybe I could come up with some other concoctions for those. So we'll see. So, all right, so I just wanted to share this with you for my first time trying the 310 nutrition and adding it into my Weight Watcher lifetime regimen that I do. So, all right, so that's all I got. So thanks, ladies, for staying. I'm just gonna finish my smoothie here, and I may just drink it out of this instead of dirtying another dish. So, all right, ladies, have a good one. And remember, every day get up and show up because you are worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day. Bye.